Welcome, welcome. Happy Friday, everyone. What's up? Good morning, good morning. Appreciate that, Chris. Happy Friday, everyone. The reason I'm running a few minutes behind, I got the cleaning people coming today to clean the house, but I don't know about you all. I always like to clean right before they get here for some reason to make sure it's not too dirty, but that's what I was doing. Good morning, Emma. Good morning. I took a trade in Asia. Let me show you all what I took. Let me show you all. So, what time was it? It was right here, everyone. You can see my TikTok, cannot see it. Good morning, Jackson. Can you all share the live? Let everyone know I'm here. But anyways, it was right. I went short 700 to 720 area. I set my stop right here, and it stopped me out right here, then sold off. That's what got me. You coming through Tennessee, did you see? But I was trading on eval, so I was still up nice on the personal from the trade we caught during New York yesterday. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. Let's get this going. We've had a solid week. You've been locked in. You should be green this week. All right, Team Bull. It is not allowing me to share my screen, so we're just gonna.
I don't know why. Something's wrong with it today.
If I take anything, I'll let you all know. You still going on the hike, Jadon? Or are you gonna
Yep.
postpone?
Yeah, actually worked out better this way. We got to wake up, trade, and then we're just gonna go a little later.
Nice. How many miles is this one?
9.5.
Nice.
Quick 10, something light. Something light.
The hikes you go on is pretty steep stuff, right?
Yeah, I mean this one's not a 14er, but it's I wouldn't call it easy.
I'm just saying, what's the terrain like? It's just up the mountains. It seems like the difficult trails here are just straight up. Seem like through like the worst terrain. What's everyone think about adding Bitcoin in this area down to 50,000? Been thinking about adding some.
Brandon's coming too, so we're gonna throw shots at him the whole time. Woo! Ah, big stretch. All right, guys, the market opens in 1 minute. This is your daily reminder to choose DOD today. Do not throw away your.
Department of Defense. All right, everyone. Good luck today. Hope you make a bag. I thought about just buying one coin or one Bitcoin. And if it dipped down to like 30s, add one more, then be done somewhere in there. Something like that. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ashley. How you doing? Happy Friday, by the way. I'm not gonna drive you all crazy this morning trying to get you to share. Just gonna lock in, see if we can make a bag. Have a nice, quick work day. Then you all can just enjoy your weekend. My goodness, these ads. Literally, I have everything turned off. There's no notification should be coming through on my computer, and the ads still pop up somehow. It will not let you share? I'm not sure why. What's everyone got going on this weekend? Anything fun? Excuse me. Coffee is working. Well, that sounds. I mean, that's good, Emma, but I don't know about you all, but I hate painting a house or something. That is like literally the last thing I want to do. Spartan, there's something wrong in Team Bull. I cannot screen share. The Zoom's messed up or something. We've tried. Whenever I was in high school, this he's talking about schools, Emma. When I was in high school, when I had a break, I knew a guy that owned a company, but his company was they removed asbestos from like old, wherever it needed to be removed. But it was like I think a spring break or fall break, one of the breaks, and that's why I spent my entire break helping him remove that. That was interesting. Gotta turn on some air. It's warm. Driving to South Carolina for the Ella Langley and Morgan Wallen concert. Not DGC. How's the Asia session? Everyone, I'll show this one again right here. You can't see it, but I'll walk you through it. TikTok. So I took a short between 700 to 730 area. Set my stop, the top of the confirmation candle. Stopped me out by less than 10 points, then sold all the way off here. That's how my first Asia session went. It was only on my eval, but still. Been traveling a lot. Having a lazy weekend at home. Sometimes that is one of the best things to do, just to. Welcome in, everyone. Nice sell off to start the morning. Good morning, me. Lots of swimming and Legos with your boy Lance. Nice. I think I may put something on the smoker. You know? Just don't know what yet. Send you some? I got you. I wouldn't bet on. I mean, it may sell off some today, but I wouldn't bet on the market selling off into the fourth of July. We'll see. We're watching Asia low. I like it. I like it for a bounce. We got awful close, huh? 20 points away. Yep. Tried to get him to move to Tennessee for the 1,000th time, but still no luck. I guess. Is anybody watching any rejects? I believe the project for Grizzology should be finished by Friday, everyone. Next Friday. I'm not sure if it'd be operational, ready to start, but it's moving forward. So I think you all will love it. It's going to be rewards that come with it as well. So that's all I'm saying. I'll tell you more about it next week, okay? All right. I try. See what happens. There we go, Team Bull. Screen share is up.
Yeah, I got it to work. I had to go to advanced settings.
Zoom has it where you need a degree on changing the settings now. I wish they just left it alone. Everything the way it was before is perfect, easy to
Yeah,
find.
it's way different now. They changed the whole ordeal.
Same thing with WAP. I wish they would just leave that stuff alone as well.
That's it. It's time for some Metallica as we prepare for our first trade.
What about some Kansas? You got any Kansas?
I haven't listened to much. Like Metallica, 3 Days Grace, um, Three Doors Down.
Oh yeah.
Three Doors Down. Papa Roach is cool.
It's part of Grizzology community, Mustafa. It's not part of the Grizzology indicator. What I'm adding is something
Dude, Michael Burry, dude,
special for you all. Nothing to do with the indicator. It's just an extra added value.
Disturb is all right if I'm feeling real crazy. Or Slipknot. All right, let's see. We got 5 more minutes or 4 more minutes.
Yeah, back. That's exactly. You caught me. Good morning. See? Sipping some coffee. Troy, man. No. Are you? Well, well. How old am I? I am 35. Can you use Grizzology on Tradevate? It's for TradingView. Um, you can link your Tradevate to TradingView, but I don't. I prefer trading on Tradevate by itself. Dexter, I have not. I mean, I like traveling. I plan on doing some more traveling, seeing some things I want to see. But I've built my the life I like at home, you know. So I'll travel for business, some pleasure, but I'm perfectly happy at home, you know. I am perfectly content, not always on the go. And to be honest, once you can do whatever you want in life, have what you want, that kind of loses the nostalgia on some things, you know? I think I enjoy work. You know, that's what brings what I like. Nice. 800 across 5 accounts. That's right, Ryan. That is right. Am I going to be ripping Grand Theft Auto 6? What do you think, Madman? We giving it a try? I'd like to play some Madden, you know? You can put it at them, but a lot of times I just buy, sell, market. Keep my stop loss set, of course, but sub district. So far, we have made a barcode. It's what we call this pattern, the barcode. Is it cool with you all if we talk about Bitcoin for a minute while we wait on the setup? I'm considering buying some. I think 50 is a great area. What do you all think? I mentioned it earlier, but we have a lot more people in here now, so it just depends. I mean, you know the amount you have to reach to hit a payout, but do you want to leave a buffer district? You know what I mean? Like once you get to that 3K, clown, that is a very good point you just made. I should be here to clean my house before too long. Good coffee for sure. I mean, nothing against you all for traveling. I wasn't saying that. Do what you want. Live your life. No judgment from me. I don't. It's not my business. I'm just saying. I think one thing that keeps me from traveling as much as well is where I always traveled for work in the past. You know, kind of got me burnt out. Seen seen a lot of places. District. Download my ebook in my website. It's for understanding that. Kind of compares the accounts. The prop firm ebook is free. Go to grizzlytrades.com, download it. It compares them side by side. Yeah. Do we have any news at 10? That's a good question. Anybody work out this morning? I had a pool day myself, but I don't believe I needed to work out. Body was sore. I did it anyways, but nice. Sure would. What is it? I missed what you're talking about, Danny. I don't know if I'm missing the chat. I wonder. I kind of want to try shorts here. Quite a bit of risk, though, huh? 302. I'm gonna wait till we get out of this range. Gonna stay disciplined here, even though the shorts look decent. Hey, Kurt, you're talking about that. Look at the 12-month chart on Bitcoin. See what you think. I know it's a massive time frame, but check it out. Actually, let's just look at it here real quick. Which one do we look at? The Coinbase? Whatever. What do you see here? Oh. What happened here? Now where we're at again. Just something to consider. Oh wow, destroyed my chart there. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Happy Friday. Hope you all have a great weekend. But not before we end the week strong. Do not forget the steak today. Yeah, Ashley, I just use Tradebait. Steak is crucial on Fridays. You see anything you like?
What do you mean? 30, what, you call me old? No, bro. Unless we get a move below this 15-minute low or above 15-minute high in this pivot, I won't take anything in this range.
They calling you Unc over there or what?
I was telling them I was 32 and people were being mean about it. I'm old or something.
You're right now, you're hitting the age where the grays start sneaking in. Be ready for it.
No. I was born in 1994, May 1994. Why that's a big deal. Class of 2013 in high school. Those are the days. Anyone else here class of 2013?
That's 0809 here.
Damn. That's awesome.
I was born right into the recession. I mean, I graduated right into the recession, rather.
Yup. Those are the days, man. I remember my graduation party in 2013 like it was yesterday. Crazy. Good times.
I remember I had a massive sunburn during mine.
Do you? You feeling?
Yeah, it was bad. From working outside, you know.
Yep. It's honestly crazy. I tell you, it feels like literally just yesterday I was 30. But 30s is the new 20s. Still waiting for this setup to come to us, guys. We are.
That was some tough times in '09. Getting a job then was so difficult. I'm telling you all, there's just no comparison to now. It's so much easier to get a job now. You literally had to beg for one in '09 coming out of high school. People couldn't even get a job as the bagger at grocery stores. It was bad. At least in my area. All right. See if we get a setup here. I mean, I'm sure it's hard to find certain jobs in this economy. For sure. I'm not doubting it. It's just, I assure you, it was nothing like it was in '09, though. A different thing completely. This candle has some time. It's got 3 minutes left, but it's just ripping. What's going on here? Holy pump. Volume's not here, is it? Not yet. Even if it does get here, like, it's gonna be a 300-point candle. Don't chill. I mean, that's a bit of exaggeration, but still, it's gonna be a massive candle. It's just ripping. Nice, Nick. You made some money. Grizzology. Let me see the VWAP settings here. I will find it. Give me a second. Pass it up. Right here. Let's anchor to at least. What's everyone putting into their step or 1Ks? Whatever you're investing in. What are you putting in there right now? My accountant keeps telling me I need to do some more stuff like that, but it just doesn't make sense to me. Cannot touch it until a certain age. And the money, I could use the money for real estate and make more out of it, even with the taxes, I feel like. I'm about just doing gold if I have to. Gold, just, stuff like that. All right, everyone. Massive, massive candle, 371. Well, it's not going to give us the entry anyway, so I don't know why I was looking for long entries. It's going to rip straight up. 4th of July coming. What else can we expect? No, I'm not going to do that type of real estate. I'm not dealing with a bunch of people. Stuff I build is going to be more passive. You're the only people I'm going to deal with. The community. So if I'm putting $70,000 into a SEP every year, I can't touch it. I mean, I feel like I'm going to die before I ever get there, Never get to use it. What's up, Scooter? What news do we have? The only area I like for reject is going to be this previous day point of control. Honestly, the pre-market high looks decent, but still. All right, Netflix. I was hoping Netflix would go to the 60s so I could add another 100 shares. CRM's moving back up a little. Not getting my hopes up yet on CRM. Nick, I have never related more to a statement. It's one of my main drives. I guess I could just leave it if I was going to use it like that. But I invest weekly for my daughters now, so consumer sentiment. Oh yeah, I'd say combined, my daughters are worth as much as I am at this point. Not for sure on that, but let's see what's happening. I like to bounce, but where would our stop loss be if we tried the opening range high or the 15-minute range high for our entry? We'd have to set our stop at 348, the bottom of that, but the candle goes all the way down to 300. Any questions? Anything we can talk about? Give me something to talk about. My favorite board game? That's a good one. I'm not for sure. I guess Monopoly would be up there as far as board games go. A lot of chess. I've never played chess. I've just never been around anybody that played chess. Excuse me. You watching for reject, Bill? If we get up that previous day point of control, I'll watch. You can play it. Oh, you play online. You play chess online. That's cool. Me, you play? I'm excited for the new edition to Grizzology. It's just on my mind. I know I keep talking about it, but am I looking to add anything to my long term? Dexter, I got 100 shares of Netflix right now. 77 is my average. If we dip to 60s, I'm going to buy more on Netflix. I got CRM Leaps. Um, they're currently red. But all I've been buying, though. No, it's Alexander. I stopped at a place to grab some food the other day, and they was playing Singo. Singo, is that the name of it? I think that was what they called it. Where they guess the songs, kind of like bingo. What's the ticker on that, Danny? I want to take a look at it. Backgammon. I don't know what that game is. Take a look at it. Danny, what made you not go with the calls? They just don't have. A whole lot of open interest. I mean, not a lot of volume, but they got open interest on the December 18th. Their IVs around 90%, which is a little tough, but it's manageable. Good morning, Brett. How you doing? How are we feeling about a pull back to VWAP? Or are we still going to wait on the 15-minute range high? Hmm. Let me know when it's. Oh, I'm gonna pull up. I can pull up QQQ on my phone, watch it, see when we get close to VWAP. Oh, so 707 area. 707.3, Danny, is that what you're watching on QQQ? Quite the pullback. Appreciate you all using code Grizzly for Tradify. Seeing it come through. What's up, Jay Dunn?
I was just asking if there's anything you liked.
Yeah, but it's quite. We have to pull back quite a bit.
Yeah, they never gave us that re-entry at that 15-minute high.
Nope. And I was having a little.
One was VWAP.
There's quite a bit of risk there as well, unless we just stopped out before the bottom of the candle. Think it'll pump into the fourth?
Right. This actually wouldn't be a bad 2-bar here if we could get it. We get a solid close above this pre-market high, rising volume and a solid candle. I would watch for a retest of pre-market high with stops below like 508.
I like it.
Bit of risk, about 40 points or 50 points, excuse me. Not my favorite setup. This is the type of setup that can work. Like if we get this close and we retest here, it can work. But this is also the type of setup where it's going to likely go one of two ways. Okay, way one is the way we want, where we move down and move back up. That's what we want. Way two,
Kind of watching this short up here still, everyone. I don't want to fade anyone, but I was looking for a short in this area. I hate when Jay doesn't see something against what I'm looking for, you know? Makes me hesitant. Which, it never hurts to set out a trade if you two conflicting signals from experience, you know? Bill, you're looking for shorts too? Maybe like 637? Jesus, we'd have to put our stops at like 695 because that's the chop zone. Thank you again. Someone else just used my code for Tradify. Appreciate it. The best deal on Tradify, I would say, is either when you bundle the 550K select accounts. I would say is the best route right now. Thanks, Mikey. Got my favorite Rolex on this morning. Not because it costs the most, it's just the most sentimental value. V-Man, the difference between select and growth. One difference on growth, you can pass the eval in one day. Select, you cannot. But select does not have a consistency once you pass the eval and you're funded. That's what I like. I don't know how to show it to you, Luke. I'm streaming on my desktop, so I can't just. Nice, Nick. 1,350. Solid. Where's Liv at this morning? I haven't seen her. Missing her enthusiasm. I'm not for sure why I wear watches. I guess just for the look, because they do not keep time on me. Unless they're digital, which I haven't tried a digital, so a long time. Are you here? Isn't this crazy though? Just to not be able to wear a watch. Just, I mean, I wear it. It just doesn't keep time on me. The Matrix. You know why they don't? I probably told you all that before. From what I've researched, they say it's your magnetic field. Certain people, it's rare, but certain people cannot wear watches. They just don't keep time. Yeah, that's what it is. Charger man. Does it drain the battery? No, it just like throws them off. Like they'll stop working, start back, lose track. Like it just never stays set. I don't want to try shorts here, but I feel like it's going to rip my face off as soon as I get in. If this candle had higher volume, Danny, I would rip shorts right here for sure. It had negative delta, so it could sell off, but this wasn't quite enough volume to tell me we're going to continue on down. How much is what? How much is my indicator? Um, if you use code INQ, it's like 35 for the first month if you want to try. Right here's the reject area I was watching. We just hit it. This was the main area what I was watching for a short entry. Let's see what happens. Let's let this candle close and give us a much better picture of what we're gonna do here. So
Indicator wins again.
all right.
Think indicator's going. That candle was some BS, huh, Grizzly?
Yeah.
When it closed below pre-market lows and rip right back up. That's foul.
This was the area I was watching for shorts. Right where we're at now. I'm not for sure if it's gonna work out, but I'm watching. I'll let you know if I take anything, Team Bull.
We don't copy your trades, we copy your think indicator. All right, well, I'm glad I can be of service. You're welcome, bro.
This closes above this point of control. I mean, that previous day point of control. Pretty aggressive move though. I'm just not for sure we're gonna reject. Oh, so nice strong delta, huh? If you all are getting into, if you're not in Grizzology community and you plan on getting in, I would do it within the next week. Just saying. Do you all feel like cash prizes would be best as far as what I'm putting in there goes? You know, huh? What's it doing now, Danny? So it's holding. It's gonna have higher volume too. 22. Jeez. All right. Where we at? Yeah, I can't short that for sure. This plus 1.4K delta on the previous candle. Very strong, aggressive buying. Cannot short that, everyone. If there was any confusion there, I'm not taking a trade yet.
Here's fire.
I'm gonna get a pullback. This previous candle's too strong to short at a aggressive buying.
Yep.
It's high today, 29,666.
I'm not gonna take this high or low, guys. We got pre-market high up here at 560. I guess that could technically be valid. It was possible like 520, but I'm being more careful today. As a reminder, guys, we are day traders, not take every.
Any questions for me? Not for sure what we're gonna do here, honestly. Excuse me. I'll be back in like 1 minute. I gotta put my dog up before they get here to clean. All right, I'm back. All right, I'm really back now. No trades yet. It just hasn't provided us with one. Hasn't allowed us to take one. I'm gonna watch this 440 for a bounce though if we pull back. Around VWAP. Looks good. I mean, we had the right idea with shorts up there, but it just didn't give us good opportunity to get in. The candle that had higher volume was positive delta, more aggressive buying. What can we do, you know? We're not in a trade yet. I'll be clear if we take one. No trade has confirmed for us. Come on. Yeah, that's what I was saying. That was no pullback. All right. See if it gives it here. I'm here. Can you all not hear me? Okay, good. Just making sure. Just making sure. Do anything but chop up here and waste the rest of our morning in queue. Anything at all but chop. The game plan today's simple. We make a bag trading and we eat steak. You know, if you're a vegetarian, whatever you eat in replacement of steak in steak's place. I'm looking for VWAP bounce. Is the only thing I'm watching for. 440. Unless we have increase in volume at it. Okay, that's one thing we got to watch for. If we have crazy increase in volume around VWAP, I probably will set that out and wait for a little lower. Which I'm not opposed to a short entry still, but it has to be very clear. Very clear telling us to take it, you know. All right, Team Bull. 29 440. Watching for a bounce. 29 440.
I'll watch that too.
VWAP. But not if we have a huge increase in volume, though. As of right now, it looks good. What time you have to cut out, man?
I'm leaving this lot. I'm going to make you host in 22 minutes.
22 minutes.
22 minutes max. I have got to go.
Well, hopefully, we just have a nice trade by then. We can all just call it.
Oh, no, here's what's going to happen, bro. You ready? Here's what's going to happen. It's going to be on some games. We're going to have the next few 5-minute candles. Market's whipping up. It's cooking. The moment we get to the buy entry, I'm going to have to go, and then you guys are going to get a massive move. Watch. That's what's going to happen.
I hope it works out just like that, but I would prefer you be around to catch it with us.
You know what? If Team Bull wins, I guess I win too. Everybody wins. I see my buds win too. Typically, I stick around for another hour at least on Fridays, but we're going hiking, so. Is GD Brandon on his way over?
Hope it doesn't bounce us 500 on us. Go down a little further.
We view opposite 440. I like that 400 still.
I may look for like a sweep below reclaim for take my long entry when we reclaim it. We'll see.
see. I'd love to see us come retest this area and then find a higher low if we're gonna move up. Got to remember we had that pre-market downtrend though, so breaking out of the bird beak to the downside. So we'll see.
What are we thinking, everyone? Well, it's bouncing. No way. Couldn't have went down.
Almost Grizzly came within like 15 points of your bubble.
Yeah.
It's just how it's been, huh?
Yeah.
So,
Think you like to do me dirty these days.
that actually might be the spot if you zoom out at the 5 minute. That was a big level of resistance turn support pre-market. Multiple lower highs there.
I'd be down for a long cure if we can get some volume.
Yep, I'm willing to watch it too.
Oil is dropping. It doesn't take long for 100 points of risk to get on a candle. Crazy.
Don't
chill out.
It's a bearish trend, duh. Yeah, clearly it's a bearish trend intraday. Duh. Obviously, can't you see how far we've gone down today? Oh, let me see. Hold on. You're right. I think I'm seeing different.
Well, the thing about this market is a good tweet puts us into
Nope. Market's still moving up.
Different territory daily. This could be the candle. It's got 2 minutes.
The pre-market trend is down, but the intraday trend is up. Kevin said, calling it a day, up 725 across 500 accounts, base hits, and I usually give it all back here. Going to protect it and step away. Have a great hike out, Jaden. Let's do it all again next week. Let's go. Let's give our man Kevin and Premium some fires. Let's go.
Interesting. Interesting. What's the delta here? Well, we still got a minute. I didn't realize you got in the trade. I see. You said I'm in. Nice. Chats, they all blur together. Huh, I'm not convinced we're going to continue up here. Maybe more of a pullback. I thought for sure that was going to be the candle. Here to clean. Still think Lums is at play here. Just gotta figure out where we're gonna take it. Making a decision here. Decision time. Delta's flat at the moment, is what Danny said. Huh. No way you're taking a long here. I mean, if it doesn't match your plan, that's the way to go. I just wish it could have gave us actual confirmation. Nothing's happened, Ryan. Did not miss a thing. I'm not sure what's going on right here. Other than it's just decision time, you know? It's deciding the battle. Don't blame you, Nick. Could be a possible candle for a trend entry to the upside, but it's gonna have to get with it on the volume. Well, if we could get a nice close above this pre-market high again on higher volume, and the candle's just not 1,000 points, I would try longs. The volume's not there right now, Excuse me. Good weekend, Alex. I really don't have any exact level right now. I'm watching close. If something changes, I will let you know. Need to see more volume. Wow, that was weird. Spreads were backwards for a minute. I don't see anything yet. I would be cautious, Dexter. Well, I mean, everyone should be nice and green on the week. Not been a bad one. You've been locked in, not jumping 20 different streams. You don't suck, Brian. Be careful, kid. I think we push down a little more. We'll see. Still above VWAP, so. But I don't care which way we go. If we go down or up, I just want some volume to come in. Give me a sense of direction here. Up, down, it doesn't matter. I got a level I'm watching on both sides if we just have the volume to support it. Could go either way. Literally nothing telling us which way we're headed right now. It's all good. All right, a little movement here, no volume, so you want it to be clear and stuff. I don't know if I have the exact amount I look for, but you want to be it's like a pattern. You just want to be no doubt that it's just a very strong, aggressive candle for your confirmation candle, whether you're looking for shorts or long. And you want to glance at the delta, make sure the candle's not lying to you. Where's everyone checking in from this morning? While we're waiting on a trade in this lovely press section. Tennessee here. Tampa, Oklahoma, Beeville, Sweden, Carolinas, Toronto, Kentucky, Milwaukee. Yeah, when it's not crazy busy, but I can try, Mustafa. I'll try. Anything for you, man. Jay, you're heading to Gatlinburg in September? Nice. Yeah, nearly, Jackson. This PA is gonna make me leave. He doesn't get it together soon. We've set through all this. For some reason, we've decided to. But we have to see if there's gonna be a trade. So, well,
Final average is 535. Out of once 532. Out of second time 540. 535.
nothing here for me. No trade for me, everyone. Why? Because I have no idea which way we're gonna go. That's why. I have no edge here. I mean, I would join him on the shorts, but I have no. I just can't take it just because someone else takes the trade. I hope it just rips down for him. I mean, maybe he's just going by the wicks, long wicks to the upside. You heading to the gym? Where you hitting today? Give us a bounce. Give us a long entry or give us a bounce. Or a short entry or bounce. Either or. Nice. Some upper body. Ooh, that one hurt. Thank you. Point move so far, not bad. The question is, what was the reason for shorts? Is what I want to know. So I can see it too. We're just in this chop zone. I don't feel like I don't think we should take a trade at all until we're out of this. Just my thoughts. You all want me to start trading on my gut feeling, my what I think will happen? I don't know how that would work for us. What's up, Mel? There's volume. Volume's not saying anything. It's lowering volume, but one good high volume candle is going to go rip one way or the other here soon. So this candle right here was based on the trade after we chopped back and forth here. And this candle had higher volume. You heading out, Bill? I mean, I would have loved to take in shorts, but I have to wait. Glad you all made it back if you took them, though. Hmm. Maybe this candle will give us the actual. Well, it's got 33 seconds, so I doubt it. Maybe Jadon's just changing it up. Maybe he is going with his gut more. No hate for me. I'm just trying to see what I'm missing. That looks like a possible long candle, but it had higher volume, but nothing crazy. It's making me want to take a trade here. I feel like there's a big move coming. I'm going to try to stick around until we get it to see, give us a sense of direction. Look, why was it worth shorts though? I mean, the strategy that you took there, traded, is it proven consistently profitable? Or was it just because we thought the move would happen? What we have to keep in mind. Cannot just take trades because we think it will happen. Finally touching VWAP. Lower volume still 2 minutes 47 seconds left. Now this 400 to 380, I would be down to try bounce. There's not a long weekend. Next weekend there is, right? Next weekend's the 4th. Short week coming up, but we're heading into the 4th of July, everyone. It's got the potential to pump. I'm not saying that's exactly what will happen, but I would not be surprised. I would like to, if we could just get some high volume on this candle, be okay with me. That's no problem. No big deal. Appreciate you. All right. We dare? What is that? You're in longs, Jay? I think I'm gonna try hit some longs if we can close above VWAP on this candle. I'd like to get it closed. I'm not looking to just enter it yet. See, now this is a legit candle to look for a trade on. We've got 2 minutes. We have to wait on it to close. If it holds together, I will look for a long entry. Could fall apart. It's got plenty of time to do it. So you hear the background noise. They're cleaning beside of my office. We're gonna have to go light on this one because there's gonna be quite a bit of risk. 100. My God, why does every candle have to be 100 points? All right, I'm trying loans, so it's clear. Quite a big stop loss. I'm in. I left room to add at 480. 5 minute close below VWAP. I'll be out. So position accordingly. If it falls apart, this is the only legit trade I've seen all morning. So, if you got a small account, 470s. It had negative delta, Danny. I looked on my phone. Wonder why we're still getting two different deltas, Danny. I'm not for sure what's going on. No, I'm in loans right now. I'll add to this position if we pull back a little more though. Come on, no way it's not gonna give me my second ad. My ad. What's up? What are options looking like today? Is that How are they moving? Stop loss below VWAP, everyone. 5 minute close. You have to, if it's too much risk for you, you just have to adjust your stop loss. I'll add most of my position though, like 475, 470 area. Trying to get in this like 10M and Q. Did you hear me on that, Neil? You might have been typing that when I said my stop. Oh, I like to have previous day point of control out of this, everyone. The risk reward's there, even though we had a big stop, or I wouldn't have taken it. Come on, get some volume pumping here. Let's get through this pre-market high again. Rip straight through it. Give us previous day point of control. I only have 5 MNQ, so I'm holding being greedy. Imagine if I got my ad at 475 though. They're cleaning beside of me. That's the noise you all hear. You're welcome. All right, everyone. I am trimming this just because it could reject this pre-market and we didn't get the volume there I wanted. But it looks good. I did trim there at pre-market high. I'm gonna keep my stop right below that 500, okay? 490s. See if we get any more out of that. Come on, it wants to. It wants to go to that previous day point of control. I'm telling you. But does it do it before it gets my stop at my entry? I'm not for sure. About to be a 100-point trade, everyone. That's how you do it. You gotta wait. You can't be taking trades that don't match the system, or you will fail. I promise you one thing. This is this could if you don't listen to this, you will fail. If you're taking trades, you don't understand the strategy, you're just wasting your time. Stop doing that. Stop going to a million streams. Know what you're trading. Know the strategy of who you're trading with. I know you all don't like to hear it. People don't. That's just the truth. If you're trading, watching stuff for entertainment while you're trying to make money, this is not the way. If I ever start doing that, please just stop watching me. Make fun of me, do something. Got in around 500. I was going to add at 475. I did not get the second ad, so I'm light size. I trimmed 3 off. M&Q at pre-market high. I have 2 running. Oh, trust me, I'm not ignorant to the fact there's plenty of better, traders than me. I'm just saying. I say if we can, as long as it doesn't pull back and break below at 500, I say we let this one run. This is on my indicator. VWAP is. It sets it up automatically. Nice, Brian. I'm glad you made 30%, man. All right, that was close to 100-point trade there, depending on your average. Still in. If it breaks below 500, everyone, I'll be out. Oh yeah, I'm not live in Team Bull right now. But I was. Jaden accidentally ended the Zoom. He had to leave, and he forgot to leave it running for me. You heading out, look? I'll see you on Monday, okay? Hope you have a great weekend. That's why I'm hoping this is the lower high. I hope we get the continuation up to previous day point of control, 637. But once we get up to 600 there, I'm going to take a couple more off. I guess I'll just leave. No, I've only got 2 left. I trimmed 3. I guess I'll trim 1. I don't know. You know what? Forget that. I'm holding to high day. I'm not trimming again. You all should trim up around 600 though, if you have enough left in the game. Right there should be your trim spot, everyone. 100-point trade for you all on a Friday. Oh, it's getting nasty now. It's getting nasty. Rip up to high day. Do it. This is my final price target right here. High day. Come on. Rip up. All right. It failed me. I trimmed. I'm leaving 1. I'm leaving 1 M&Q. How many points are we at right now? How much did you, who took this with me? How much did you make? I want to know. What? We ended the week strong. I better see some steak pictures. Either tag me in your story on Instagram, send them to my DMs. I need to see steak after this week, everyone. Solid week in the books together. Jesse made 1,450, 65% on SPX options, 30%. What else we got? 609, 525. Nice. We deserved a 140-point trade after waiting through all the chop, huh? I closed my trade, everyone. I'm out. I'm completely out. I'm not letting it pull back any further. Completely out of this trade, okay? If you're inside Team Bull, do me a favor. If you took that trade with me, go to the poster games, tag Grizzly at Grizzly. And let me see what you got, okay? Nitro. I'm on that Folgers. That's better, right? That's what real men use instead of crack. You know. What is it? And I just want to say I appreciate everyone that used code Grizzly this week. Tradeify, Take Profit, Apex. Code Grizzly always give you the best discount. And I'll see you back Monday morning. We're gonna have a good week leading up to the 4th. We may have a fun day on the 4th as well on Saturday. I may take you all with me on my Instagram, okay? See what we can get into. It'll be fun. All right, catch you all Monday, okay? Thanks, Scott.